Hey everybody, we today are working on electronics, which is what my degree is in. How do I flip this camera around? I can't turn it around? Okay, I'll turn it around physically. This is a Focusrite Clarett 8 Pre. This is to connect in microphones and musical instruments, then connects to your computer. And the power supply was blowing fuses. So I bought new fuses and put it in, and it immediately blew up. And so we started measuring some of the electronics. There's 4 diodes here, which are the rectifier, takes AC, converts it into DC. One of these diodes is bad. This one right here, this third one. So we're going to replace this guy and see if we can fix this power supply, put it back in, and get this guy working again. We'll see how it goes. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, the saga continues. I got the diodes. Here are the diodes. Where's the model number? Rectifier diodes, they're 2 amps. 1,000 volts. We got my old Weller soldering iron. I already took one of the diodes out so I could know what to buy. Luckily, they show you the direction on the board. So I'm going to take out the remainder of those 3. Got to turn on the soldering iron. I'm going to take those 3 out and put 3 new ones back in from over there onto this board. And then I'll put the board back over here. And then without the electronics connected with this cable, I'll plug the board in to this connector that comes right off the AC power supply. This comes in goes to the switch. There's the switch on the front panel right here. And then the AC comes down here to that board, to that connector, Molex. And then if it doesn't blow, I'll connect in this cable over to the board down there. Okay, stay tuned. This is a Clarett 8 Pre. You can see it there. Clarett 8 Pre8 X. And there she blows. Okay, look at there. There's a green light. It says analog. Got a bunch of lights on the front. The 4 diodes were replaced. See them right there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectifier diodes. New fuse. Green light flashing down there. So I think we're good. There's the multimeter to test out the diodes. So I'll throw this thing inside and hook up a microphone to it. And we'll see if we're getting audio. All right. Okay, here's the final episode of this little adventure. Focusrite Clarett 8 Pre8 X. Power supply was out. I've connected a microphone to channel 1, and you can see the inputs coming in into the Clarett. This uses Thunderbolt. I've got Thunderbolt connected to my MacBook 15. And then I just recorded a clip via Thunderbolt of the Clarett. And everything is working perfectly. So there you go. Happy ending.